It's been a very long time since I made a forex trading video for beginners. To all of you beginners out there who want to begin with forex trading and you don't know where to begin from, you are at the right place. Probably you have seen a couple of videos until now and you are confused regarding the different trading strategies. So I will try to make it as concise as possible without getting into unnecessary details for the moment. On forex trading, as also in cryptocurrency trading, but we are talking about forex trading right here, we are just predicting where a currency pair is gonna go, where its price is gonna go. So we are just playing one currency against the other. In this occasion, we have Euro US dollar right here. You can see we are live, so you can see that now we are at 1.03144. This means that with 1 euro, I can buy 1.03167, whatever US dollars. So what we are doing, we are predicting for a certain amount of time, which we don't know how long is it gonna be, how much the change will be either towards the downside, let's say, or the upside of a certain currency pair. Just as an example, if I predict right now for any reason that price is gonna be moving down, I can just place an order right here, and let's say that I want to risk the blue area is my risk. I want to risk, let's say, those 22 pips, which we will be explaining in the private courses. If you want to enroll and learn instantly from me, go ahead and click on the link down in the description. Let's say that this blue area I choose to risk. You can choose how much you wanna risk, 100 euros, dollars, or whatever. If I just target this area, you see this number 13.79. So if I risk 100 euros from here for whatever reason and price makes it here, I will have made 13.79 times my money. So 1,379 euros. But if I lose, I just lose my 100 euros if this area is hit. Of course, we would never be placing such trade over here. I'm just explaining. Now, I will be very quick, as I said. I'm not gonna get into the depth of how to place your stop loss and stuff like that. I highly suggest that you subscribe to my private course where I can teach you one-on-one with no extra fee. Most people out there would take at least a 50 euro extra fee just to teach you some stuff. I will do it for free with a basic package price. You might have seen a bunch of videos until now, or a couple of videos, and you see people drawing trend lines and stuff like that, and probably you think this thing is working. Also, you see people drawing these strange lines that we are also gonna be drawing right here. Do not do the mistakes that I did when I started trading. So do not learn from people who are just telling you to throw random lines on your charts. And before you say anything about me, just think about it. Why would price be reacting? Why would the algorithm be built in such a way that you can just throw lines, visual lines like that, and you expect for price to be respected on those lines? The algorithm is just made in such a way that they know you are doing this stuff, you are placing your orders like here, and then they're giving you a little bit of hope, and then you are losing the trade again and again. There is absolutely no way that you're gonna be profitable by drawing lines on your charts. Furthermore, abstract areas like this one, because somebody out there, many people out there, have cherry-picked examples for you, and you see them winning, you can just backtest it with fake money, and I guarantee that to you that you will not have a profitable trading system. If we include also brokers' commissions, in the best case scenario, by doing all of this stuff, you will be breaking even in the best of the best case scenarios, even though I am pretty sure you will be absolutely lost in the end of the day. So what we are doing here on ChrisFX, we are institutional traders. We know why we are drawing these lines. We are just drawing these support and resistance lines as you might know them until now, that we are calling them order blocks, and we know where we are placing these lines and why we expect a reaction. None of these people and of these videos that you see out there is explaining why I'm expecting a reaction from a random line that I have drawn, or why I'm expecting such reaction from an area like this one. I am explaining why. You will learn why you are drawing such lines, because it is not a drawing class, it is just price areas that we identify, and I teach it in one of the first lessons why these areas are going to be respected most of the time, and how to build an extremely profitable system around these areas. Now, regarding what is a pip, how to calculate your stop loss, your risk, and all of that stuff, as I said, I'm gonna be doing that for free, absolutely free. I'm not gonna be charging any extra amount of money. So by going ahead and buying my premium course, you will be having me exclusively for free as well. This is a very nice extra that no one out there is doing it, at least for my price. Trust me, anyone out there offering what I am offering would be charging you at least double this amount. So this is pretty much what Forex trading is. Do not go ahead and fall a victim of these trend line scams and stuff like that. Of course, I have such videos in the past in my YouTube channel because I was just a beginner. I have not deleted those videos, only for the purpose to be reminding to myself why I couldn't build a very nice profitable trading system. Many times I would just break even and I would just waste my time around graphs with the hope that I was gonna make money someday. This is Forex trading for you. We are just predicting the price of one currency against another one. Do not watch any of these trend line stuff and this horizontal abstract line stuff, or the support and resistance things that are just totally abstract. It is a guarantee 99% that you're gonna be losing money, but you can go ahead and learn about institutional trading by clicking on my link down in the description. This is gonna do it for today. Thank you all for watching, and hopefully I will see you in my Discord community. Have a great day.